What's up, guys? It's your girl Bros back at it again. Oh my god, so I just want to apologize in advance. I'm sorry I look like this. I went out last night and I got like no sleep. But today I'm gonna attempt to do my own box braids. Box braids. And I'm kind of excited. I think I would do like a decent job, but I'm not sure. I think in the front I'll do fine, but then in the back I'll just be like, ugh. But I can't see the back, so I ain't gonna care. I'm gonna be like, So right now I just got out the shower and I washed my hair, because when I have done box braids before, just not on myself. Well, I haven't done it on anyone else, but somebody has done box braid on me. Like, I've had them before. But I don't like to have product in my hair. I like to let my hair dry. Last time I did box braids, I dried it myself. So I'm kind of excited to see how my hair will air dry with no products in it, which I haven't done since I got a haircut. So it's been a long time. I usually just diffuse my hair because I just don't want to risk it looking ugly. So I'm excited. So you guys are gonna learn with me how to box braid. I'm gonna use the rubber band method, the simplest method, and like I said, I think it's gonna be good. So I'm gonna go to the beauty supply store while my hair air dries. I'll see ya in a second. Hey guys, I'm back. So my hair is completely dry now. I feel like since my hair has no product in it and I let it air dry and all that, you can definitely tell which are my dead pieces, which is pretty much not much left, but it looks pretty good. I mean, if I had to go outside like this, I wouldn't really care. So I want to show you guys what I'm using. I bought this hair, which I usually always use. I just get it from the beauty supply store. Well, I only done braids once, so this is the kind of I used last time, so I just stuck to it. It's pretty good or whatever. I got my Eco Styling Gel. I'm gonna use this to split my hair because I can't find my comb. I have my rubber bands, and I have my like edge brush, which I'm gonna use for my little sections or whatever. So first, I just want to say I have no idea what I'm doing. So I'm not a professional, but I'm gonna try my best, and we gonna do this. I think we could do it. And literally everything that I'm gonna do is just things that I remember people doing when they did my braids. Well, the person who did my braids, whatever I remember her doing, I'm just gonna do. Oh wow. Yeah, so this is the hair. It's pretty long. The reason I want to learn is because, I mean, I don't really have like an actual good enough reason. I don't know if, well, there's no good enough reason, but I just want to learn because I'm really into my hair now. That after I started my curl journey, I'm really into my hair and learning about it, and like just doing different things. Like, even if it comes out shitty, like, I'm happy I tried. Like, just because I feel like I can do it. I just gotta like actually care or whatever. Like, before I started my curl journey, I never took care of my hair. Like, I never deep condition. I didn't put oil treatments, even though people would tell me that I straighten my hair a lot, that I should put like oil treatments and stuff. And I know a lot of people could agree with this, but before I used to say that like deep condition and like oil treatment and all that is all fake. That's just people trying to expand brands and steal money from people. That if your hair is going to be curly, it's going to be curly. If it's going to be straight, it's going to be straight. And if it's going to be moisturized, it's going to be moisturized. And these companies are just trying to take your money, so I'm not falling for it. But I was just stupid. I mean, obviously I don't believe that now because I can tell the difference. And I guess that's why I didn't believe it before, because I never tried it and I never knew the difference. But anyways, I'm going to continue. So I'm just going to stretch the hair. Again, this is just things I've seen. Stretch the hair. I'm so scared, guys. I hope I do good. And then, so this the hair. I'm gonna hold it here. I'm just gonna do this. I don't really know what's the point of this, but as you can see, there's like some extra hair falling out. So maybe that's what it's for, but I feel like that's such a waste. Okay. Oh, and I bought 15 packs. Last time I used 22 packs, but they were really big, so I'm gonna try to do them smaller, although I have no idea what I'm doing, but this looks good, right? I don't know how straight my parts are gonna be, but like I said, being that I'm a beginner, I don't really want to stress parting. Like I'm gonna be surprised if I even finish. So I just wanna, sorry, I don't have a mirror in front of me right now, so I'm just gonna use the camera. But I'm gonna try my best to part it even and equally. Okay, that's really bad. But if I don't, then lesson learned, right? Okay, let's see, how does it look? Oh, I think I fucked up. I messed up there. I'll fix that. It looks pretty good, right? Alright, this looks pretty good, right? It's not great, but it's okay for now, right? For a beginner. I kind of just want to show too that like for beginners, like don't like not try just because your part either is coming out bad or it looks like weird or whatever, because maybe at the end like it's actually gonna look fine. So we'll see how it goes. I'm so excited. I just hope I actually finish, because I gotta go to work tomorrow, so I'm sure my boss wouldn't want me with half a hair. Oh, I look like a unicorn. Hey guys, so my camera died, so I started without y'all, but I did 2 braids. I'll give myself probably a 7 out of 10, because as you can see, it's pretty loose, but I got a little tighter here. I knew that was gonna be my like most like struggled part, like tightening it. Okay, y'all don't have an accent. I can't be saying some hard ass words sometimes, but tightening it, whatever. So I knew that was gonna be my struggle, so I give myself a 7 because I did kind of mess up here. You can see like my hair is like out or whatever, but hopefully like the more I get used to it, the better the braid is as I go around my head. I'm scared to go to the back because if I can't tighten it while looking at it, imagine when I'm not looking at it. But I believe in myself. I put 2 parts here and put it in rubber band because I felt like that's just the easiest method for beginners. I split my hair in half, and then what I do is I put it over the rubber band and I start braiding and just use my piece here that's already in the rubber band into like with the braid, 3 strands, and then I just start adding hair from the fake hair once I start getting like too low or the braid is too thin up here. So that's what I learned so far. So I'm just gonna try it. So I wanna, as you can see, I'm just braiding it normally and I'm pulling it, trying to make it tight, but for some reason, oh, I got it on the first try. I can't get it too tight, but that's good enough. I don't want them tight either because I don't want it to pull my hair too much. I'm not really measuring the hair, but just using my eye and using the same amount, trying to use the same amount of hair on each braid. So again, I'm just gonna go over my rubber band and start braiding as tight as I can, just because I know it's still gonna be loose. Oh, I could see the rubber band. I'm gonna try that again. So there you go. So I'll see you guys when I'm done, if I get done. I'm scared. Wish me luck. Hey guys, so I'm all done with my braids. I found these little things to put in it that I have when I usually style my hair or use. They don't look terrible. I used these things to grab my hair down because I just couldn't keep my hair down in the braid. But they look okay, I think. What do you guys think? So yeah, this is my final product. All I did was after I was done, I boiled some hot water and dumped my hair in it because it looks very hay and just weird. But then once you dump this in hot water, it gets like very loose and like blah 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 and does whatever you want. But yeah, this is my finished product. I hope my video helps and I hope you enjoy.